Hello students, welcome to Sarvasa classes. Now in the question number 17 it is given which of the following statements is correct. Okay, about boric acid and hypophosphorus acid. So it says both H3PO3 and H3BO3 are protic acids. H3PO3 is a protic acid but H3BO3 is not. H3BO3 is a protic acid but H3PO3 is not. Neither H3PO3 nor H3BO3 are protic acids. Now what are protic acids? Okay, acids that have OH groups that give H plus ions via dissociation of OH groups are called protic acids. Okay, that is the definition. Now if we have a close look at what is the structure of H3PO3, which is going to be something like that. Out here, okay, this bond will break and it will produce H plus ions in solution. Okay, so obviously this is a protic acid. What about the boric acid? Okay, if we consider the structure of boric acid, then it also acts as an acid but in a different way. What happens out here? The lone pair from the water gets donated into the empty p orbital. Okay, this is the empty p orbital. Okay, and that is how the dissociation of water takes place to produce H plus ions in solution. Okay, but here none of the OH groups of the H3BO3 are getting dissociated. Okay, so by definition, it is not a protic acid. All right, so out here we will say H3PO3 is a protic acid but H3BO3 is not. Okay, that is the explanation. Now this is a memory based question. Over here the mineral carnallite is going to be KCl dot MgCl2 dot 6H2O. That is a double salt. Okay, that is what you got to remember about the carnallite. Thanks for listening. Keep visiting Sarvasa classes for the next solutions.